Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rural 82 here. We're at the intersection of US 41 and Burnt Store Road. There you go, you got some very friendly drivers in morning rush hour. So yeah, we have this lovely swamp over here. And then to our left, we have a somewhat old pedestrian crossing gate, which sports a fabricated metal signal base, a WC Hayes gate mechanism, gate bracket. Those lights, although they bear my favorite visor, they're still LED lights, which I do not support. And it's the old kind of crossing gate. It's made of fiberglass. Luckily there's no e-bill up top to ruin it. And then here we have track view south and track view north. This track ends right there, that siding. I'm guessing they're working on it. So here we have a huge, well, this is not that huge, but the one on the other side is. This is a Seminole Gulf Railway crossing, by the way. Here's your emergency contact info. Here we have fabricated metals cantilever. Those are LED, WC Hayes LED lights. We have a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we got 24 altogether, because the opposite side has 14. I'll go over there in a minute, but I wanted you guys to see this. Check that out. Although, yeah, they're for sure not the original lights per se, but they're WC Hayes lights, LED lights with the no right turn. Oh, look at that. For sure they're the original lenses though, and a fabricated metals signal base. And that's the intersection where I'm at. I'll include a link in the description. So yeah, you can see that there's a pretty big cantilever here, right? But I'm gonna take you guys to the other side right now. So I was standing right over there. Now I'm about to show you guys this huge cantilever on this one. Check out this bad boy. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, actually 16 over there. So 16, 10 is 26. This is a huge railroad crossing right here. Pretty big railroad crossing if you ask me indeed. Alright ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys thought of the video. Leave me a comment. I always look forward to reading them. Thumbs up, that'll help me in the search algorithm rankings. Always a pleasure. Remember, I drop videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Thank you. Bye-bye.